Sometimes we have an equation with multiple variables and we would like to isolate or get one particular variable by itself. In the case of our first equation, we have capital I equals capital E over capital R plus lowercase r. And the directions ask us to solve for R, or get that capital R by itself. To accomplish this, let's start by doing what we've done with all of the equations in this section: get rid of the fractions. Here we only have one denominator, which is big R plus little r, so we'll multiply by that on both sides. When we do that on the left side, you can either distribute it or not, and either one of those can be correct depending on your following steps. If we do distribute here, we would have ri plus little r times I. On the right side, the r plus r and r plus r cancel out, and we're just left with e. After getting rid of the fraction, what you do next depends on what variable it asks you to solve for. Here we're solving for that capital R, so we need to get all the terms that don't have that over on the other side. In this case, we accomplish that by subtracting ri from both sides. And we're left with big Ri equals E minus little ri. Last, to get the r by itself, we divide both sides by I, and you would have r equals E minus little ri over I. This is 100% correct. Some people like to go ahead and divide each term on the top individually by I. If you do that, you would have r equals E over I minus little r. Either one of these would be a completely correct answer to that problem. If you would like to try the next problem on your own, pause the video now and resume when you're ready to see the solution. So here, let's start, as we do with all the equations in this section, by getting rid of the fractions, multiplying by, in this case, our only denominator, 1 plus RT. If we distribute on the left side, we would have P plus PRT equals, and then on the right side, the 1 plus RT and 1 plus RT cancel out, and we would have A. Since the directions are asking us to solve for lowercase r, we need to get all the terms that don't have a lowercase r on the other side. So we subtract P from both sides, leaving us with PRT equals A minus P. Now to get that r by itself here, we divide both sides by P and T. And we're left with the equation r equals A minus P divided by PT.